Welcome back everyone. Today I am tackling a common issue. The cable that opens the front seat of my Pulsar 150 has broken. I'll be replacing it with a brand new original cable from Bajaj. As always, I'll walk you through the steps I took to replace the cable. Before you buy the replacement cable, make sure to watch the video till end. This will help you decide whether you want to replace it yourself or have it done in an authorized service center. Here is a step-by-step guide to replacing lock assemblies. Let's begin by opening the back seat. After opening the back seat, proceed to open the front seat. Use a screwdriver to push the lever that unlocks the seat mechanism. For removing the lock assembly, remove the black plug by gently pushing it from the back with your finger. Keep the plug safely aside for reassembly. Slide both the cables to the center and push them inside. Remove the two bolts securing the lock assembly. Carefully take off the top plate and store it safely. Replace the lock assembly with the genuine part from Bajaj. You can purchase this online. I'll provide the link in the description below. To identify the part number, pause the video to note the part details. The front lock assembly is blue in color. The package includes lock assembly. The top plate is not included in the package. So we have to use the old one that we removed earlier. Route the new assembly through the same location as the old one for proper fit. Slide this slot to secure the cable to the location it was removed from. Now let's secure the lock assembly using the bolts that we removed earlier. Don't forget to put the top plate. Also be careful with the orientation of the top plate. Now let's replace the back seat lock assembly. You can pause the video for part number. The steps to replace is similar. If the back seat cable is broken, it is difficult to open the seat with the screwdriver. So it's better you go to an authorized service center for replacement. After securing both the cables, plug the black plug that you removed earlier. And you are all good to go. Hope the video is helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.